Okay, so you can see my screen clearly. I can increase the font size if you want.
Yes, sir. Yes, increase it a bit, sir. Yeah.
Okay, good. So first of all, we are going to talk about the zero accounting software and what are its
Okay.
features, little bit about the history of the software, right? So
Yeah.
then later on, I will show you how to configure it, how to make an account on the zero, right? The first thing is
Okay.
that this company, Zero Accounting Software, is basically from the New Zealand, right? One of the
Yeah.
company in the New Zealand. So they developed this software, which is cloud-based accounting software. Cloud-based
Yeah.
means like all the data which you get it from your clients or you issue the receipts or the invoices, so that will be saved on your on the cloud space, which is being
Yeah.
provided by the Zero Accounting company, right? Zero Accounting Software. So it is cloud based accounting software. Accounting software, why I'm saying cloud based, also because you can access it from anywhere. So any
Yeah.
part of the world you can go and you can use the zero accounting. Even there is a mobile applications which you can use to use the accounting software, zero accounting software. The third main
Yeah.
feature is that this company, the zero accounting software, was first launched in 2006, and then we have around we have 2.7 million users or subscribers which are using the zero accounting software around the world.
Yeah.
So you can see the massive clientele is there, massive users are there. The
Yeah.
other good thing about this company is that you can use this accounting software wherever you are in the part of the world, like where you are. For example, you are in USA, you are in Canada, you are in Pakistan, you are in Mauritius. So that has a big clientele in different parts of the world. Fine. So this
Yeah.
was a little bit about the zero accounting software. Now, why I have chosen this zero accounting software, why
Yeah.
I'm not discussing it with the uh, the other accounting software like QuickBook, Tally, or we are having so many accounting softwares which are in market. For example, Sage One, which is most commonly used in US in the UK world in the UK market, right?
Yeah.
Then we have the QuickBooks, which is also widely used, particularly if you focus in US market or Canadian market. So over there you find the QuickBook is mostly used. Then we have Peachtree accounting software,
Yeah.
which also focus on US market particularly.
Okay.
Okay. Then we have the Sage One, as I mentioned to you, QuickBooks, Tally. This is an Indian company which has the tally accounting software. And then we have Zoho Accounting, which is also the cloud-based accounting software. So we have plenty of accounting softwares. But one thing that is very important is that if you have hands-on experience on one accounting software, so you can also use other accounting software. Depends on how much understanding you have for that accounting software, right? So
Okay.
the interface, you will see the interface might be changing. You might see that the graphs can be changed or the financial outlook can be changed or the dashboards can be changed. But you can say the knowledge of accounting is the same. Whatever the software you are going to use in
Yeah.
the future. So you'll find the similarities in terms of your conceptual understanding, right? So this is very important that if you understand it fully,
Okay.
so you can understand other accounting softwares very easily, which I have. That's why I've chosen the zero accounting software.
Mhm.
The other reasons